Hello humans, welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I filmed anything, but I bought some cute stuff from Hot Topic that's all Kuromi themed and I am very excited to open it. So I figured I will record it as like a mini haul kind of a thing. So let's break into it. Yay! So all of my stuff shipped as 2 orders, so I have one bag and then another bag. Sweet, coupons. Love that. Probably should be showing those codes everywhere. So my first thing is a little bag. I think it's so cute. I needed to get a smaller purse because my one I have currently is pretty bulky and I wanted just something little that I can just like throw my phone, my wallet in and then take it wherever I am going. So here it is opened. It's part of the crystal ball collection, which I think is so cute. There were a couple outfits from the collection that I really wanted, but unfortunately they sold out before I had the chance to get them. So sad about that, but I'm glad I got this bag. So here's the print on it. And here's the back. It has a little Baku. And nice stars, I love that. The strap is adjustable, which I will need to adjust because right now it's very short. But yeah, I think that's so cute. Adorable. I love it. And I guess I should open it. See what the inside looks like. So it has 2 pockets. It has one on the top and one on the front. Packaging, yay. I turned it inside out. I'll probably trim off that tag because it's very bulky, but yeah, nice space. Perfect for fitting my stuff in it. Very nice. Easy to zip. I love the color of these zippers. Like, that's a weird thing, but it's like this cool, like, darkish gray color. But it's not like silver. I like it. So yeah, that's the purse. Now, the other package, which my cat is trying to bite. No, not for you. Not for you. There's the troublemaker. He's gotten big. Excuse you. So first up, I bought some cute little pajama pants out of the packaging. They're really soft. I like that. And they're like lightweight, which is nice. They have the same little crystal ball print as the purse because it's part of the same collection. So here they are. I think they're so cute. Here's the print up close. Has little crystal ball designs. Says Kuromi. Has a little Baku. So cute. My cat is already trying to bite them. Very rude of him. I will try these on in a minute once I open the rest of the stuff. And then I got some necklaces. So first I got this like chain one. I think it's really cute. I know the chains I think are like multiple lengths, so it'll kind of be like a layered effect, which I really like. This thing has so much packaging. So here's the necklace. I'm holding it backwards. It has a cute little charm, nice layers. My cat is attacking it. But yeah, it's gonna look like that up close. I think it's so cute. Ah, I lost the loop. I will say finding the little loop on the end of this is difficult. There it is. There we go. Cute. So next, I have another little necklace. This one is a lace choker, which is also part of the crystal ball collection. You can see her little bow. Ooh, it has a ribbon tie on it. That's cool. Yeah, so the back of it has like a little ribbon on the back instead of a chain. Man, that one was easy to get out. But yeah, so you can really adjust it to any length, although I'm afraid that's gonna fall off easily, but it is so cute. I love the little ruffles. I'm a big ruffle fan. And you can see a cute little face. It's so cute. Hey, no tucks. My cat is so interested in all of this, but yeah, the lace is nice. I love this like little ribbon pattern. Her face is cute. In the back it has like metal parts, but then also the ribbon. Love that. And then, I think this is the final thing, yes. We have a little hair bow. Hey, Tux, no. 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 Back to my hair bow. Sounded like I said Haribo, like the gummy bear brand. But yeah, here's the little bow. I think she's gonna be so cute. But yeah, it's a nice little like embroidered pattern. Has a little skull and flames, and of course a cute little Kuromi. Love her. But yeah, that's so cute. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna try the pants on, and I'll show you what they look like. I have Kuromi-ified myself. So here's the pants. They have pockets! I love pockets. And the tie is adjustable, which is really nice because they're a little big on me, even though I ordered a small. But they're very nice. And I also put this necklace on and the hair bow. I think they're so cute. Every time I say hair bow, I think I'm saying Haribo. I don't know why that's on my mind today. But anyway, that's what I got. There's the other things. And I love all of them. I think they're so cute. So I will see you guys in another video. Please like and subscribe if you like this and want more content, like unboxings or cosplay stuff or other makeup, fashion stuff. I did my makeup all cute today and everything. I like it. But yeah, I'll have more stuff coming this month. I've just been very busy with other things. I have an Etsy shop now if you want to check that out. It's not really related to my normal content on here, but if you want to support me there, that would be awesome. So I'll see you guys in another video soon. Bye bye!